money twice when you can use one wig and get two styles. You can get it curly and you can get it straight. Stick around if you want to see that. Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is Klaiyihair. Let me tell you, I done cut some of my hair, child. But anyway, that's why we have this wig, and I'm super excited about this one because it's a two style one wig. Amazing. So this is the packaging. We are gonna go and see. It's not a surprise for me because I saw it already, but I'm excited. So I have HD cap, this is needed, and we have a edge band. And then we have a bag. Make sure you store your wigs in the bag. We also have the wig here. Let's get into it. Oh, it's already straight. But this wig, okay, it's a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, Brazilian hair, 24 inches. Now, the beauty about this wig is you can wear it straight, and then I'm gonna curl it, and I'm gonna show you guys the process right here, right now. I'm gonna wear it straight for like a couple of hours because I have to go on the road, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put some curls in it, and it's gonna be super easy. This is amazing. I already love how it feels. I'm not gonna lie, Klaiyihair been doing their thing on the lace lately, okay? The lace been lacing, because look at this. It's a HD lace. Amazing. Now, you see the hair? Let's get into it. So the cap is on. Let's fit the wig on and see how it's gonna look. Remember I said it's a 13x4. It also has a drawstring, so of course it's gonna help to make sure everything is in place. Now this is where I want it, so I'm gonna go in with the spray. This hair feels so good. I cannot believe we are gonna be able to curl this. Okay, it's gonna be curly all by just wetting the hair. You hear me? Yes. Anyway, let me do this part, spray it down, and then you guys can keep on watching while I do this. Let's just keep going. I like to do this part before I like to spray it down before I do the drawstring. So I'm gonna start with my forehead. Alright guys, so I did a little something with the baby hair because I don't need a lot. I need it to look realistic, okay, at the sides especially. Now what I'm gonna do, this was really simple. I actually love the lace. I don't know, the texture feels so good, so I'm like, how is this gonna get curly? But I'm excited. What we're gonna do is now flat the top, and we are gonna go straight first, and then we're gonna go in. Like I said, I'm gonna go on the road, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna curl it up because I have some errands to run. You need to use a hot comb just because of shipping and everything. You want to make sure that the hair is flat and everything is nice, hence why I'm using the hot comb. And then we're gonna go in with the flat iron, and that should be it. But I know it's not gonna take long because the hair feels so good. Before we do that, I am going to do the drawstring, which is very easy. All you have to do is pull it, pull down the string because you want it to be snug on your head. There's another part that you're going to pull down. This is it. And then you just tuck it under. So it should look something like this. Okay? Hopefully you guys saw that. Now let's go in while I run the iron through. Oh, this feels so good. I'm not even going to do much. because the hair already feels good. So I know it's not gonna take OMG. You see that? It didn't even take 2 minutes good. Not even a minute. I am not even parting this. I don't know where they got this texture from, but it feels amazing. And like I said, because of shipping and the packaging, you're gonna need to do this. If you're gonna wear it straight, just get the flat iron. Anybody can do this. You install this by yourself. Wow. Yes, this is it so far. It feels so good. You guys see this? Are you seeing what I am seeing? You see how straight this is? It's gonna get curly. I cannot believe my eyes. Now, this is how it looks straight. I'm gonna show you guys like all of it. I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm gonna show you guys while we wet this up. And I am going to start with one side first, and then you're gonna see the difference. So you're gonna see one side straight, and then this side is gonna be curly. And you're gonna be like, I need that wig, because that's exactly what you do. You need this wig. Okay? It feels so good though. I don't want to change it from straight. You see how shiny that is with the natural shine? All I did was I used a flat iron, and that's it. And it is long enough. This is the length. It's 24 inches. Now I'm gonna show you guys, the lace is also perfect. I did nothing to it. What I like about this wig is that you get it in the middle part. It's easy to install, even though it's a 13x4, and you get one wig and you can wear it straight or curly. That's good. Okay, that's good. Just imagine you at work today and you want to make it straight, and then you're going out later and you want to do curly. Now, I told you guys this is like 2 hours later, and this is how the hair is still. You would think a hair that can go straight and curly, then it's gonna be like poofed up. No, baby girl, look at that. You see that? It's still looking so good. I love the texture. It's just like, it's kind of unbelievable, but we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna get it curly. Let's fix her good so you can see how nice it is straight. You see that? I love it. It feels so good. But anyway, let's get into one side first. Straight, curly. Straight, curly. You ready? I am. Is it really gonna get curly? But you know that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my yard on the fight. When you see me on the edge, you know. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want me to be cleansed. Tell me now. Are you guys seeing that? It's getting curly. All I need to do is finesse it some more, but it's getting there, guys. I'm gonna scrunch it up some more, because that's what you have to do. Even when you wash your curly wigs, you have to make sure that you scrunch it up like this, so you get real nice curls, because when you wash it, the curls will fall. Oh, okay, Miss Klaiyihair. You guys are seeing this, right? Yeah. I wish I did a TikTok video with this. I didn't remember. Okay, that's wet enough. You guys see that? Yes. I'm just gonna keep scrunching it, and then once it's dry, I'll come back. Are you guys even seeing this? Because this is unbelievable. Look at that curl. I'm gonna do this side because should I walk around with one side straight, one side curly to let them know how versatile this wig is? I would, but we're not. I just showed you guys in living colors. We're gonna do this one as well. All I did was add some Lotta Body and this Garnier Sleek and Shine and some water. That helps to activate the curls. We're gonna do the process again with this side. My mousse is done, so let me get another bottle. Here we are. So I started off with the mousse first, so we're just gonna pump as much as needed in the hands. I'm gonna rub it in. And then I'm gonna add some of this. Rub it up. Make sure it's all over. And there we have it. I'm gonna let these self dry, and then once it's fluffed out, I'll come back. So we have all curly now. We had it all straight for a couple of hours while we ran some errands. Now we're gonna do curly merly, okay? All right, once this is dry, I'll be back. Guys, we are back and it is dry. Now the only thing we need to do is kind of separate it so it's a bit fluffy. I am not gonna lie, it's like, even though it was straight before, I love how tame the curls are, so it's not gonna get fussy. They're really nice. So just imagine you go like to the beach, because it's this summertime. This here will, once it's dry, you're out the water, it's gonna get back curly. So I'm just fluffing out because we want it to look fluffy after being straight. Want to make sure it's fluffy. Around the back have a little bit damp still, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. Yay! This is it. I really like it, the curls. All right, let's fluff it out to make sure. You see that? Are you guys seeing that? This was a straight hair, okay? And oh yes, I love this. I love this. I really do. This is how it looks. It's a 13x4 lace front wig, and I can wear it like this behind my ear because it's a 13x4. I really like that about it. But just take a moment to appreciate these curls. All we did was activate them, as in spray some water, some mousse, and a little bit of like a leave-in conditioner for curly hair. And that's all I did. And you guys saw before in the previous clipping how straight, bone straight the hair was. Yes. Now look at all those curls. I really like it. So Klaiyihair did their big one on this, and I really like the lace as well. I love how easy it was to install. It was super easy because I left it with the middle part, and that's how it's going to be easier for you. So you can create a side part if you want. You can do the middle if you want. You can do anything. I love this. I really do. Are you guys seeing the curls all the way down? You see how juicy these curls were? This was straight. And look at the curls, how juicy they are. It's giving like a deep wave. You remember, I think they stopped calling it deep wave, but it's giving like deep wave. I love this, okay? And you're gonna love it too, which means I will have a link with a discount code in the description, so you better check it out because it's summertime. Why spend money twice? Like, you can get it straight and you can get it curly. So thanks to Klaiyihair for sponsoring this video. I am going to try and see if I can style it, because if you do get hot, you can also pin this up. You can either put a band in, or you could pin it up. And you guys are seeing how curly this hair is. Are you seeing that? So nice. So nice. So you can go in and do whatever you want. Even if you want to go up, I don't think I have my comb, my thing right here. You could pin it up and bring it to the side as well. Whatever you want to do, that's on you. But for me, because I love how the curls are, I will be leaving it as is. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.